I'm a cigar smoker. Got tired of using lighters and torches. Some cigars I like to use a soft flame. It's a little bit cool. I wanted something classic. When I received it, there was no scratches on it. As you can see, it scratches very, very easy. It's still dope though, very classic. It's probably gonna last longer than any lighter would. I've filled it several times now. Works for me. A little bit different than a big. You can do cool tricks with it. Well, I can't, but lights every time. Scratch is very, very easy. Very, very easy.
This guy has gotten me through quite a lot of cigarettes. That's always good to say. That's a terrible thing to say, actually, but I don't condone smoking in videos, so I'm not going to record myself. But you can see here, it's well done. I got the fan on. Here we go. You can see really well. Yeah, lights a cigarette, it does everything it's made to do. It's very sturdy, very strong, very good lighter.